evaluate integral of from 1 up to x squared minus 6dx. How to evaluate this integration answer for that? So integral from 1 up to of x squared minus x power then dx is what? So the first of all, we found the integration of this function. After we substitute this function or this boundary in the equation or in the primitive equation that was obtained. So then we find the integral of x squared minus x dx. This is the same to what? Integral of x squared dx minus integral of x dx. So this is called, this is equal x power 3 over 3 minus x squared over 2 plus c. When you multiply or when you use the boundary, then integral of 1 up to of x squared minus x dx is what? It is the primitive function for that, x power 3 over 3 minus x squared over 2 plus c when you substitute 1 up to 2. Remember that if f of integral a up to b, f of x is what? Is f of b minus f of s. So when you place in that question, so we replace 2 in that question, we get 2 power 3 over 3 minus 2 power 2 over 2 plus c minus, this is a constant, 1 power 3 over 3 minus 1 power 2 over 2 plus c. So when you subtract this c and this c was cancelled, so this is equal 8 over 3 minus 4 over 2 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2. This is equal 8 over 3 minus 1 over 3 is equal 7 over 3 minus 4 over 2 this plus 1 over 2 is equal minus 3 over 2. When you do a common denominator, we get 6. Here it is 40 minus 9. So this is what? This is equal 5 over 6. So this is the answer of our equation. It means that integral of that is equal 5 over 6. Thank you for watching this. This is called integration or definite integral.